Hi guys, I just made a super cheap dust collector for impact drill. As you can see, this box is just a floss box. You can also use a calling card box. What I did is I made a hole. There's no so much technical for this. I just made a hole, pass through, and then I put a plastic inside so that when the dust is already inside, it won't go out here. This is where you will put your hand tool bit. So I just put some glue gun here in the surface, and as well as here and here. So this will serve as a rubber patch on the wall. So it's just like that, and then here. Okay, we will test it. Now it's easy to dispose the debris. Look, open. That's it. You can use it again.